What's up, traders? I'm about to show you a strategy that's ridiculously simple. Like, are you kidding me? Simple? You might be looking at this and going, there's gotta be a catch. No, actually, there's this thing traders say, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. And honestly, sometimes the simplest stuff is the most effective. No million blinking lights. No fancy gadgets turning your charts into a Christmas tree. You know what I'm talking about? Just clean, straightforward trading. Let's do this. So, the cool thing about this strategy is how flexible it is. You can literally use it on anything. Stock, crypto, forex, commodities, you name it. And it doesn't matter if you're into quick scalp or longer time frame swings. It works across all time frames. For this example though, we're going to be looking at a Bitcoin 5-minute chart. So the first tool we're bringing into the mix is called trend levels. To add this to your chart, just like any other indicators on TradingView, head over to the indicator section. Type in trend level chart prime. And boom, add it to your chart. Now what does this thing actually do? Well, it's designed to pinpoint key trend levels, the highs, the lows, and all the important midpoints during market trends. It's constantly calculating these levels based on recent price action, giving us a real-time snapshot. It even measures the strength of the trend, showing us how decisively prices are moving. Pretty cool, right? Now, this indicator is going to be our signal generator for this strategy, helping us spot potential trades on forex, crypto, or stocks, you name it. But here's the thing, we're not going to rely on this indicator alone. We always need confirmation, whether it's from another indicator or price action method. This is absolutely crucial for building a profitable trading strategy. But before we get to that, let's tweak this indicator a bit. Go into the indicator settings. Find the inputs tab and change the length to 21. This will give us more signals on the chart. Now I know what you are thinking. More signals might mean less accuracy, and you're right. But we'll address this in the next part of this video. You can also change the colors in the input section to match your chart style. No need to mess with anything in the style tab. One last thing for the cleaner chart, head over to your TradingView chart settings and disable everything in the symbol tab. This will give the trend level indicator a nice uncluttered stage to perform on. So we've got our first tool set up and ready to go. Let's move on to the next step. Now if you ask me, the real secret to successful trading is riding the market's wave, not fighting against it. Trying to trade against the trend is like swimming upstream. It's exhausting and you're probably not going to get very far. So identifying the trend direction is absolutely crucial before we even think about placing a trade. That's where our next indicator comes in, the EMA SMA cloud. Just like before, head back to the indicator section on the TradingView again. And this time search for EMA/SMA cloud and hit enter. And add the one created by TA_Dave. This indicator is going to help us clearly visualize the overall market trend, making it much easier to spot those profitable opportunities. It's like having a weather vane for the market, showing us which way the wind is blowing. Now to really get a handle on the long-term trend, we're going to make a few tweaks to the EMA SMA cloud settings. So go into the indicator settings, find the inputs tab, and let's make these changes. Change the slow EMA to 300. The fast EMA to 100. and the medium length EMA to 200. These specific values help us filter out the noise and focus on the bigger picture. You can definitely play around with the cloud's color and appearance in the style section if you want to personalize it, but I usually just leave it as it is. These settings will give us a really solid understanding of the dominant trend. So let's talk about how we actually use these indicators to find trading opportunities and make money trading. With the trend levels indicator, a potential buy signal pops up when the price breaks above the bands. Conversely, a potential sell signal appears when the price breaks below the bands. Seems simple enough, right? But here's the crucial part. We need to check it with our EMA SMA cloud. Take a look at this example. See how the price breaks above the trend levels band, suggesting a buy? But hold on a second. Notice how the price candles are below the EMA SMA cloud. That tells us the prevailing trend is actually downtrends. So in this case, we ignore the buy signal because it's going against the overall trend. Remember, we want to ride the wave, not fight it. Now, if you see a sell signal from the trend levels, a price breaks below the bands, and the price is also below the EMA SMA cloud, that's where we get excited. That confirms the sell signal, giving us a much higher probability trade. So, in that scenario, we could consider entering a short position. Now, risk management is always key. A good place to set your stop loss to limit potential losses would be just above the trend level line, the recent swing high, or even above the cloud itself. As for taking profit, a target that works well with this strategy is 2 times the risk you're taking on the trade. This gives us a nice risk to reward ratio. Are you still a little fuzzy on how this all works? No problem at all. Let's walk through a few more examples to really solidify things. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll see how straightforward it is to find profitable trades with this strategy and make money trading. Okay, check this out. We're clearly in an uptrend here, right? So the sell signal that just popped up, we're going to completely ignore it. Remember, we only want to trade with the trend. Now, right after that, we get a buy signal. And guess what? The trend is still up. So this buy signal is confirmed. And as you can see, it turned out to be a nice winning trade. Then we get another sell signal. What do? We ignore it again because the uptrend is still in play. And then boom, another buy signal appears. The trend is still our friend. So this is another confirmed signal leading to another profitable trade. See how powerful it is to trade with the trend? It really simplifies things and gives us a much higher chance of success.